Hi everyone, welcome to Home Special Home. Today I'm gonna share with you how I organized my kitchen, the tips and tricks that works for me in my kitchen. So let's begin. Here is my stove. Next to my stove, I have a small plastic tray with my oil containers. I used to keep the cooking oil and the gingerly oil that I most frequently used once, and salt, pepper, and a mortar and a small planter next to it. So if you see up here, I have three cabinets, one double-sided cabinet and a single-sided one. So let's see the double-sided one first. So if you see this cabinet, I have like three layers. So the top layer, I don't want to put the items that I used most frequently. So I just have my choppers and my mixing bowls up in there, and like I don't use them much, so when I need it I can reach them easily. On the second layer, I have my dry red chilies, tamarind, tur dal, chana dal, and like samnoli and urad dal, those kind of stuffs in the clear containers. Clear containers are like really useful to see how much quantity you have and what items are in there. It's really helpful to keep your kitchen organized. And in the third layer, I have all my spice powders. So in the front row, I kept all the powders that I use most frequently, like chili powder, coriander, turmeric, sambar powder, those stuffs. In the back row, I put the ones that I use occasionally, like mutton powder, biryani powder, those kind of ones. So this is what I have it in this cabinet. So let's see the next one. So this is the one single sided cabinet. So on the top layer I have that green basket. In that basket I used to kept all my coffee, tea powders, refills. Like I, instead of keeping them in the pantry, I used to keep it in this top shelf, so that I can like I know when it's when I need that I can just simply grab it from there. So I have all my refills in this basket in the top corner. When you use this kind of basket, it's easy to pull it from the top shelf. So the second layer is mostly all oils. So I have different kind of oils like coconut oil, gingerly oil, ghee, and like even for frying, cauliflower frying oil and chicken oil. So I have clear containers for them. So this one is my coffee corner. So I have the coffee powder, sugar, tea powder, and my extra ones like Boost, Horlicks, or whatever I have. So I kept it in this way. These steel containers I got from India. So in this big container, I have the Jaggery that I use sometime for my coffee or tea. So this is what in this cabinet. Um, so let's see the drawers that's down to these cabinets. So I have two big drawers down to this cabinets. So this is kind of a junk drawer, but not a real junk drawer. Like the kitchen items that we don't use them frequently, but we need them for kitchen. Those kind of stuffs I keep it in this drawer. If you see the clips that we use to secure the open packets, and then these ones are like you can use them for corn eating, and some extra spice powders that I got from different food products. And this one is a egg slicer, and next to that the green one is the apple cutter, and I have a small pepper cracker behind there, and this is the popsicle maker, and I have a small sticky note that I always used to keep it in this drawer. There's a pen for that. And I also have the pizza cutter and the ice cream scoop and the can opener, everything in this drawer. And this is the cheese grater. Sometimes I use it for butter too. So, and this is how I kept all this kitchen related junk stuff in one drawer, keep them organized. And back in there, I have some recipe books. So those recipe books, I got it from different products when I buy. So I just kept it in there in case if I need it. So let's see the jar that's next to my stove. So this is one of the most important drawer that I used very frequently. So I kept everything in this one spot. So this silver spice organizer, this one is like much it's very useful for me. I really like this one. I kept the spices that I used a lot, more like every day, maximum 2 times or 3 times someday. So I kept all those spices in this container. And next, behind there I have my saffron powder and lemon pepper powder, cinnamon and cumin powder. Those stuffs I kept it behind there. And I have my measuring cups behind those powders, and measuring spoons, and a kitchen towel, if in case if I need it for some quick thing. And this one is like a very big box. So I got this one here. I really like this box a lot. So I kept the things that I used for sometimes for making masalas or something. I don't use them frequently, but I need them sometimes. Chana dal, red chili, and tamarind, coriander seeds, and the balls is like kind of spicy balls that we use for seasoning for some of our curries. And behind there, I have that small containers that I believe I got them from Michaels, but I think so. So these ones, they are airtight, and you can see what is inside. So I always kept my garam masala spices in those containers, so that I don't need to go and grab it. Like, I don't use that garam masala items much often, but I need them for like at least weekly, twice or thrice. So I kept all those spices behind in there. It is it's airtight, so it's very safe. Like, you don't need to worry about the flavors and all. So this is what in this drawer. So by keeping all these things in one place, it's really useful and helpful when I do my cooking. And next to my stove, on the other side, I have the same kind of a single cabinet as well as the double cabinet. So I will show you my single cabinet first. So this is kind of my breakfast corner. So I kept all my things that I used for my breakfast in this cabinet. Oats and pancake mix, maple syrup and chocolate syrup, um, peanut butter, jam, honey, and my ginger powder. Top in that rack, same. I kept the refills for these things. So this is my apple cider vinegar every morning. I used to drink it, and behind there, my chia seeds and my flax seeds, and honey is here. So when I make my morning drink, it's easy for me to access everything together in one place. And here I have my jam, peanut butter. This organizer is really helpful. You can see like based on the layer what you have. And in top there, as I told you, like I have my oats and pancake mix. This is the ginger powder I use for my morning drink and sometimes in my tea too. And that's it in this cabinet. So it's very useful to keep all of them in one place. And the next cabinet is same like. So I have my nuts and my flowers and my serving bowls in this cabinet. So in my top cabinet, I have a serving tray. with serving plate. I don't use them much oftenly. I really need them when I have guests or we have get-togethers like that. So I keep them in the top rack. So I'm utilizing that space as well as so in the next one, I kept all my flours like maida, rava, soji, and rice flour, gram flour, corn flour, ragi flour, everything in here. I have a sticker on top of the cap so I know which flour is what, if in case if you have the curiosity. So in the bottom, I kept all my lentils, like the green moong dal, harsh gram moong dal, um, cracked chana, and the green peas, um, cashews, pistachios, and peanuts. I kept all my lentils in this space, and I have my oven mitten. I just hang it up in there if in case I need it and utilize the space however it's possible. And down there, same like the other side, I have two drawers up here. So the first drawer, it's next to my stove, so I kept all my spoons and ladles that I use for cooking. And that one is the vegetable grater, and I have my tong and the skewers down there, and so I have my wooden spoons in one side, and I have my silver spoons in the other side, and the tea filter, whisk. I just simply kept all the things that I used daily basis in this drawer so that it won't overflow and you know which items you need when you cook. And next to this drawer, I have my this is kind of extra storage drawer, um, like some cotton cloths that I used for some filtering thing and all, and my silicone spreader and a silicone spatula, scissors, lighter, and extra knives. And I have my plastic wrap and the aluminum foil, and the aluminum foil sheets that I used for my cooking. So this is kind of a mini packing drawer, I would say. So that's it. This is what and I covered most of the things in this video. I would like to show my rest of my kitchen on my second part. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm really looking forward to share my rest of the kitchen with all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching.